the girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
Hi guys, it's me, it's Marina, it's Mars, it's that girl. This is my signature makeup tutorial look. This is that girl makeup look. I filmed this tutorial. If you want to know how I got it, then just keep watching. So I'm just going to take the P. Louise eyeshadow base in 02 and start concealing my eyelid. Being that girl is really just the mentality, right? You could be that girl on the outside and appear cute and whatever, but if you don't feel like that girl, how are people gonna believe that you're that girl? Guys, back to the tutorial. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow today by Urban Decay, so let's see what look we can come up with. That girl is all about balling on a budget, right? We don't want to spend a lot of money, but we do, because the girl math, sometimes maths works out, you know what I'm saying? No, but these eyebrow, why do I keep saying that? These eyeshadow brushes I'm using is by Minaj Flawless Concealer Brush. It's a fluffy brush. I'm gonna use it as a fluffy brush. But these are like from Amazon, so balling on a budget. That girl. You're just that girl. We're not bougie, right? We're not extra. We're not over the top. Let's be for real, yes. Again, all mentality. So I'm taking the color Riff with my $12 set of brushes. It's all about technique, right? It's all about how you use the brush. And really, you don't need to be splurging on eyeshadow brushes, I feel like, because you could find them anywhere. Now, what you do want to, you could maybe, possibly, if you wanted to, splurge on foundation brushes. It Cosmetics, my favorite foundation brush. But I don't think I've like bought an expensive eyeshadow brush in like forever, because it's like you find them on Amazon, it just works out. So can we just take a second for this hair? Like inches, they're extensions, but yeah, inches still. These are actually the Remy ones, so the real hair, it's real hair, and it goes all the way down, like all the way down, all the way down. But I'm actually gonna dye my hair tomorrow maybe and film that video. So next video will be me dyeing my hair. What color? I don't know. I just surprised myself. I kind of ordered it on the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. Ordered some hair dye. Forgot what hair dye I ordered. So we're just gonna work with it tomorrow. Hopefully it works out. That way there's like a difference. Back to the taking the color Double Life, just like my ex was living. Double Life, and just kind of stamping it. Not taking my anger out of my own eyes, but just placing it just like that. I'm taking Good As Gone, the color Good As Gone. Who made this eyeshadow palette? Like these colors, I mean, like the names, like who hurt you? Who hurt you? Anyways, I just kind of darkened up the look a little bit, so let's do the other eye real quick. So just making sure to blend everything out because you want it blended. That looks blended, right? I don't know. We're gonna go with some more colors though. I'm taking the color Smog. Don't know what that means. I'm just taking it and placing it. You know the drill. Like rear the eye creases, just to give a cute. My signature look is like a golden bronze look. So the eyes have to be bronzy and gold and shimmery and smoky. I'm Egyptian, so it is what they should have a shadow in here called Toxic. I'll just call it the ex-boyfriend palette, but it's called Born to Run. Yeah, run away from your ex. I'm gonna take the color Jet from this palette, and yeah, because we need a jetpack to freaking run away, but I'm just gonna take it. Why is the light? Hello, focus. Okay. I'm gonna place it and stamp it just on the outer part, like where I would put a wing normally, but I'm just using this black jet liner. I'm just smoking it out a little bit. So the thing with us Egyptians is that we're known for our big eyes, and we got like the wing liner look, that smoky wing liner look. That's what we're known for, you know. So, so I'm gonna throw on a wing liner. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner and throw on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Yeah, you see how we just instantly blew up from the lashes? I'm obsessed with lashes. I feel like lashes are like just a staple I have to have. Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm starting to love it. I'm starting to love it. But yeah, I just threw on a wing and better do the rest of my face. I'm gonna take the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. It says shake well, so I'm gonna shake. And just apply it on my face. Put a few pumps on. You don't need a lot. I'm just taking a cosmetics brush, foundation brush, blurring foundation brush, and I don't know what I was saying. Yeah. But this is one of my favorite concealers. What foundation? Literally, look at the finish. Right? Are we obsessed? Let me take a quick lip gloss break because my lips are like so dry right now. There we go. For concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand. Just roughly putting this on right now. And then taking this little blender and just blending it out. Alright, so we're looking a little pale. We need to bronze up, so I'm gonna go with my favorite bronzer, the Charlotte Tilbury Bronzer and Tan. Y'all see the difference between this and this? I'm just obsessed. Like, the finish is insane. The finish is absolutely insane. Immaculate, if I do say so myself. And I'm just kind of stamping it really. I'm doing this really quick, but in slow-mo it would be like that. But I'm just doing this really quick. Like, I'm stamping it on pretty quickly, rather quick. Taking this NYX Buttermelt Blush in for the butter. For the butter. It's super highly pigmented, so just be careful when applying. This is the good life. This makes me happy. This makes me happy in life. Just a nice full beat, like your wing liner are looking like sisters and not twins. The eyebrows are eyebrowing. It's not even a thing. Let's start smoking out the under eyes. So I'm taking this Stila Stingray Black. Water lining my eyes very gently. I love that. Look at that Egyptian, just kohl liner, black liner. Man, it does something to me. I don't know. It just finishes the look, completes the look. Let me finish this out. Now I'm gonna go back in with this eyeshadow palette and just start smoking out my under eye. So I'm just going right under that kohl liner, the black liner. Yeah, we're getting there. Okay, so I just took this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow stick and just went in my inner corner like that. Yeah, we're getting there. Taking this Fenty cream bronzer in Teddy, I'm just gonna contour my nose using a fan brush. So let's like go like this and then bring it down. That's how you want it to be blended all together. So this is immaculate right now. I love a good nose contour. Kimchi Honey Buns lipstick. One size setting spray. Okay, down my eye. Fan it out. She'll look something like this. Do we feel like that girl yet? I know I do. I'm obsessed. This look is amazing. I'm obsessed with this hair too, you guys. Like, I'm definitely gonna film the my hair dye thing tomorrow. I'm like curious to know what I got. I don't even want to like check the color. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like a light brown. I think that's what I was kind of going for because I wanted it to match the, because might be like this. I don't know, but we'll see tomorrow. Make sure to watch that video tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. I post daily, pretty much every other day. So what are you doing? Hit the subscribe. Make sure to like this video, share it, tell a friend to tell a friend, and never forget, as always, you are that girl. Signing off.